Hey there, nature lovers. Today, I want to take you on a journey to one of the most beautiful places on Earth, Iceland. Imagine the crisp, clean air filling your lungs, the gentle sound of water flowing in the background, and the sight of endless, untouched landscapes that stretch as far as the eye can see. Let's start our tour at the breathtaking waterfalls of Iceland. Close your eyes and picture the majestic Gullfoss, the water cascading down with a soothing, rhythmic roar. It's like nature's own lullaby. Feel the mist lightly touching your face. Refreshing, isn't it? Next, we move to the serene beauty of Iceland's glaciers. The Vatnajökull Glacier is a sight to behold. Imagine the massive expanse of ice, sparkling under the soft glow of the Arctic sun. The tranquility here is unmatched. It's just you and the stillness of nature. Now let's wander through the lush green valleys. The Skogafoss waterfall, surrounded by vibrant greenery, is a perfect spot for a peaceful moment. Hear the birds chirping, the water splashing, and the gentle rustling of leaves in the breeze. It's like nature's symphony. As we continue our journey, we reach the black sand beaches of Reynisfjara. The contrast of the dark sand against the powerful crashing waves is nothing short of mesmerizing. The sound of the ocean is calming, each wave washing away your stress, leaving you feeling renewed. Finally, let's end our journey with a view of the northern lights. The aurora borealis dancing across the night sky is a magical sight. The vibrant colors swirling and shifting, creating a natural spectacle that is simply awe-inspiring. It's a reminder of the beauty and wonder in the world. So next time you're feeling stressed, close your eyes and remember these serene Icelandic landscapes. Let the imagery of these natural wonders wash over you. Relax, breathe, and let nature heal your soul. Thanks for joining me on this calming journey through Iceland. Until next time, keep exploring and stay connected with nature.